Good evening, everyone. A group of New Yorkers will have a day in court to challenge the New York SAFE Act and its limitation on gun rights. News 4's George Ricker spoke with a plaintiff in the lawsuit. George?
We've reported to you about two other lawsuits that challenge the constitutionality of the SAFE Act itself. But what makes this one different is it challenges the way it was passed.
That just didn't seem right to me.
Ken Scholes of Amherst doesn't even own guns, but he's one of more than 1,000 plaintiffs in a lawsuit brought by We the People of New York, Incorporated.
Because I didn't like the way the law was rammed through in Albany. That's what bothered me the most about it.
The suit focuses on why Governor Cuomo used a message of necessity to avoid the 3 days of public review before a law is passed. This group argues there was no need for speed. The SAFE Act didn't immediately ban the possession or ownership of assault weapons anyway. They've caught the attention of a state Supreme Court justice in Albany who has set a date of March 11th for the governor and legislative leaders to explain why they went around the usual 3-day public process. This is all the governor's office is saying about the challenge.
We believe the law is, and the process was, valid and constitutional.
Assemblyman Dave DiPietro disagrees.
It was rammed through. It was my first day, and we sat for 12 hours doing nothing, and we didn't even have a copy of the gun bill until 11:50 at night, 10 till midnight, after the Senate had passed it.
DiPietro spoke at a Free Gun Rights Alliance conference in Hamburg, where about 50 people turned out to get answers to lingering questions about the new gun law. In this latest lawsuit, it'll be up to the judge to decide if the vote was even legal. If there's a revote, do you think the results might be different?
I hope they are. I don't believe with the downstate New York contingent that it will.
Judge Gerald Connolly could have opted to throw this lawsuit out, but instead set the date of March 11th to hear why Governor Cuomo and legislative leaders put this vote on such a fast track. You can read the legal complaint on WIVB.com. George Rickard for the 10 o'clock news.